Ladies and gentlemen, welcome out to the garage. So I was at Harbor Freight today and I saw that they had these Braun lights on sale today. So this was like $15, and I've been thinking about how it's kind of silly that I'm using battery powered lights all the time when I'm working on the car, when I'm in the garage most of the time. And I was thinking I wanted something, but a lot of the lights you see are like, at least like, they're like $100 for some of them. And so what I did is I just took these little bungees and attached them, and I just ran them through a couple of holes right there. But then I was noticing that, you know, the little hooks will fall out easily. So what I'm gonna try is just see if I can just put some, get some heat shrink to, maybe overdid it a little bit. Anyway, yeah, I was just gonna see if I could do something like that with this little bit of heat shrink, just to get it to where, you know, to where they stay in place. So let's see. Try not to torch the bungee, but I think that might, yeah, I think that might actually kind of hold those things in place. So I don't know. Anyways, give it a try. But man, look at the difference. Look at this. Makes a big difference, huge difference. So I might run and go get me another one. It might be nice to have one that I could keep up top and then one that I could just slide underneath. I don't know. What do you guys use?